So we just left Glacier National Park 6 or 7 hours ago.
About
right?
6 hours ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we stopped by the Grant-Kohr's ranch, which was really neat. If you get a chance, check it out. They have actual like people throughout the area set up to like tell you about the different things that would happen on like cattle drives and things, and it's still an actual working ranch.
Because on most ranches, the animals get fed before the humans.
See the shower in there? In the back?
Get away. On the neck. Okay.
Back of the ears.
Back of the ears.
Husband's like, get out of my way, I want petted.
This is Andy. And just talk to him so he knows where you're at, because he can't see straight ahead of him. Horses are blind at the very front of their nose. That's why we like to pet their ears and their necks. And then just talk to him softly. Andy is the biggest horse on the ranch. He is a Belgian horse. And then that is Spike back there, the black one. And Spike is a Percheron horse.
Quarter horse type. Can't say that. I'm not sure if she's registered. But she's a pretty good old horse for this, especially. She loves the
I'm not being antisocial. I discovered years ago that I'm very allergic to horses.
So we left Glacier a day early so that we could get here and have an extra day at Yellowstone and the Tetons. Just started fishtailing. I have no idea how good this footage is going to be. Yellowstone, you can see it appears as if there is a fire. Not quite certain where that area is out there. Hopefully they have it under control.
I think we're about to see some live footage of it.
I don't know if you can see out this window here, but that's smoke. And that smoke is coming all the way over from behind us. So that appears to be a wildfire back there. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but the smell of smoke is almost overwhelming. I mean, it's covering up the sun, it's blocking the sun.
sun, you can see it through the clouds.
Whoa, that is so cool.
Now you can't see it.
That was so cool. Did you see it?
Yep.
That was cool. Oh, you can see it more. See the red dot in the clouds?
So it looks a little darker than it normally does, and it's just, it smells like smoke. It's the first time we've ever been in any sort of forest fire or wildfire environment, so it's kind of interesting.
We were booked at Grant Village Campground for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday night. Well, it's Friday night. And getting a booking on a Friday night at Yellowstone is impossible. But I stumbled across a KOA that happened to have an opening tonight. So One opening. And they actually didn't have it like 10 minutes prior to that. So I re-clicked on it trying to see if they had it, and ta-da, there was one there. So I took it. And one of the main reasons is because we've had a lot of fun and we've been exploring a lot, but I think the kids just need some like cooling off and swimming time. So we are gonna hopefully get there by 6:30. So hopefully by 7 o'clock we are swimming so that they can cool off and just burn off some energy. And then tomorrow we will head into Yellowstone.
It's not recording, though.
Moo!
Sorry, that was making me very nervous holding that out the window.
Alex, it's actually not recording. What do you mean? It is recording. No, it's not.
I'm getting glared. I'm sorry.
Apparently my boys want a chicken sandwich.
You see that time? That's how long we've been recording. No, We gotta tell them storage is left. Go. Do you not know how?
Ashton, are you on my phone? Again, I'm really bad at this video stuff. Hey Ashton, let me see what you're recording at. No, okay, come on, turn it off.